We are interrupt your daily programming to issue a national emergency. Please stand by. The United States Air Force and United States government has issued a national emergency. 20 nuclear missiles has been launched from North Korea. The missile will impact the following areas in the next 30 minutes: Seattle, Washington; Boston, Massachusetts; New York; Austin, Texas; all of Arkansas; Vancouver, British Columbia; Brooklyn, New York; all of Missouri; all of Maine; San Francisco, California; Oakland, California; all of Louisiana; Denver, Colorado; all of Florida; all of Hawaii; Amarillo, Texas; McNuggets, California; all of Georgia, and all of North Carolina. We advise you seek fallout shelter immediately. If you cannot find a shelter, get to the lowest floor of the building, close all doors and windows, and have a battery-powered radio tuned to stations providing news and information. If you are not in this area, please take shelter anyways. We will keep you updated on this emergency.